58. If a hospital were storing radioisotopes, what is the minimum contaminant needed to protect against cobalt-60, which is a strong gamma emitter used for irradiation? Okay, now to answer this question, the best way is to just analyze this beautiful picture that I provided here. Now, there are 4 different types of subatomic particles or radiation, right, emitters. We have alpha particles, beta particles, neutrons, and the gamma ray. Now, in this case, they told us specifically that cobalt-60 is a strong gamma emitter, right? This Y really stands for gamma. And if you are emitting, right, you are putting it into the atmosphere, into the universe, right? So if you're undergoing beta emission, alpha emission, gamma emission, that just means that your gamma particles are going to be your products. So that's what you're going to produce. So if you are producing tons of gamma rays, you have to have like a shield, right? Think of it as a shield to protect yourself against those crazy bits of radiation. Now, gamma rays are the most detrimental because, as we can see here with this purple line, it's going through everything. And that's why, Chernobyl, one of the ideas, or not ideas, but examples that I can think of is that when that, power plant, unfortunately, I guess undergone a terrible malfunction, gamma rays were emitted. And gamma rays, just as we put over here, here's our body. Gamma rays will go right in, right out of the human body. Some of them don't, right? Alpha rays don't do that, but gamma rays are really, 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 really pesky, right? Because they will go through a lot of stuff. Piece of paper, they're going right through it. Human hand, right? They're going right through it. Any part of the human body, a gamma ray is able to penetrate and go right through. It's not even affected. Your human hand can't stop the ray. You put a piece of metal in front of a gamma ray, that gamma ray is going right through. You put water in front of it, sorry, it's going right through. Even concrete, it's able to go through a piece of concrete. So, when they say what is the minimum contaminant to protect us, we are looking for protection, right? We're looking for something that can shield those bits of radiation. And it doesn't matter who it is. Whatever emission it's producing, that's the most important part. So since this is a gamma ray, and according to this diagram here, gamma rays, which are the Ys, gamma rays can go through just about everything except for lead. Lead can act as a shield for gamma rays. It will not penetrate lead. So gamma rays will not penetrate or go through, penetrate lead. So in this case, what is the minimum contaminant or the minimum protection that you need in the hospital if you know that something is going to be emitting gamma rays? Yeah, for sure. You need lead. And that is the final answer. And that's it for this one. What'd you think? I hope this helped. Thank you so much for reviewing the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video. Just gets the word out there that in the YouTube universe, this educational channel exists. Thank you so much for coming here and studying. Love talking to you guys, and I hope you're having a great day, okay? All right, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.